Hi everyone, welcome to Organic Creations. I hope you all are doing fine today. So today we are going to be making a lip butter. I have shared a lot of body butters, whipped butters. So today we are going to do something for the lips to keep it well nourished, moisturized, hydrated, and to get that very nice soft and pink lips. So we are going to be making a coconut and shea lip butter today, which is going to be extremely hydrating and moisturizing. So we'll quickly start the making. The basic formulation, as always, will be shared in the description box. For advanced formulation, you all can join the workshops. The WhatsApp number is mentioned. You all can connect on that. So we'll quickly start with the making. Now here I have my blend of oils, waxes, butters. Now since this is a lip butter, I have taken quite a high quantity of butters, and I have used a lot of shea butter and a little bit of cocoa butter. Now cocoa butter gives a very nice texture to the product. It whips the product very well, so I have used a little bit of it. And I have taken coconut oil. I have taken some extra virgin coconut oil, which again gives you all the healing benefits on the lips and helps to give you a nice pink lips. So anyone looking for that should definitely try out these lip butters. My waxes I have taken, you can use any type of waxes that are available, like beeswax. That will also help to give a beautiful texture to the product, and a blend of nourishing moisturizing oils. Now here in this I have taken a little bit of water and glycerin for extra moisturizing properties on the lips. Now we'll quickly go ahead and heat both these phases and we'll make our lip butter. Okay, so now we have gone ahead and heated both our phases, and I'm going to go ahead and add this water phase, a very small amount of water phase, into my oil phase, and we'll give this a good blend to combine both the phases together. Okay, so I have gone ahead and blended both the phases and we have a solution like this. Now we are going to keep this to completely cool down and solidify a bit, and then we will start with the blending. Okay, so now we've kept this for a while here to cool down, and the consistency looks something like this. It has thickened well, but since this is a lip butter, we need this more fluffed up, like a buttery soft feel. So now I'm going to go ahead and mix this well with the spatula in circular motions, because this is a very small batch, so I cannot use my whipping machine in this. So I will just keep on mixing this till the time this gets fluffed up. Okay, so now I've gone ahead and mixed this well, and if you all can see how beautiful the texture is, just like a nice whipped product which has these stiff peaks here. And now, just to give it a little more enhancing feel, to lighten the pigmentation on the lips, I'm adding a little bit of beetroot powder to this. Now beetroot contains a high amount of vitamin C, which helps to lighten pigmentation on the lips, and this will further help with that problem as well. So we'll quickly go ahead and mix this so that all the pieces of the beetroot powder gets well incorporated in this lip butter. Okay, so I've gone ahead and mixed up the beetroot powder in this nicely, and if you all can see, this is the final look of the lovely lip butter that we have made here. Very, very moisturizing once applied on the lips. Just apply a little and you can see the lovely glossy shiny finish, and this is how hydrating and moisturizing it is going to leave your lips, and also going to help to lighten the lip pigmentation. So friends, if you like what I share with you all, and if you all have any special requests on any particular videos that you all would like me to share with you all, please do mention that too in the comments box, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much everyone.